It's the start of a very large project, so we've got 42 different people in this consortium from different parts of Europe, and this is the first time some of them have met together, and it's the launch meeting for the whole project. So yes, exciting. The value of the project is about 10 million euros, and what we're going to do in the project is scale up our technology, Promethean particles, through to a 100-ton per annum system. So we're going to build a physical chemical site and manufacture at scale. A lot of the partners are going to take these materials and demonstrate that they're useful in their applications. It was pretty obvious that you could build a big white elephant that can make massive, huge quantities of materials. If there's no one at the end who actually wants them, then you're no better off. So the whole point of integrating with industrial partners is that they take these materials and show that they can be useful in their industries. They're from all over Europe, but they've got diverse interests, everything from false eyes through to people that are interested in scratch-proof cars that don't fade over time. We've also got people interested in polymers that are flame retardant, and I guess another diverse interest will be in green energy. So these are specialists in their field, but they're all going to take materials from our technology to demonstrate that it works.
What's the project called? Has it got a snappy name?
Yeah, it's one of the first things, before you even write anything, you try and come up with an acronym. So our acronym is SHYMAN, which stands for Sustainable Hydrothermal Manufacturing of Nanomaterials, and I was really proud of myself when I came up with that. Everything else sounded like a Welsh word and probably wasn't very catchy, so we're quite pleased that SHYMAN fit. Well, most of the day has been spent sat down, which is sort of like the more formal bit where people present what they're going to do and the technologies that they're using. And then today, right at the end of today, we've actually been able to see the rigs working, which was critical because the whole project is founded around that technology. So it was important that they could see it actually working, making samples, and the next part of the project is using those facilities to make products for the companies. We told everyone to dress down for the meeting because we didn't want it to be particularly formal. We need everybody to know each other as informally as possible to actually see each other as colleagues. Here's to the success of SHYMAN. And so we said no suits, so just come in jeans, and tonight we're taking them bowling. We've put them in teams that relate to the actual work packages of the project.
Team 1 is lane 13.
And again, it's just an opportunity to break down barriers, just for people to be normal human beings as well as scientists and engineers. You're setting off on a journey, so it's like, I don't know, trying to find America and you don't know where it is, so you have no idea where you're going to be in 4 years' time. But one of the things that came across today in the presentations is that these guys know what they're doing. They are multi-billion-pound industries on the whole, a lot of these partners, so they know how to take an idea through to the final product. So we've got 600-pound gorillas all around us in this project, and they're going to take us through to a successful conclusion.
Is that intimidating?
I try not to think about it. I guess to some extent it is, but we've had a long time to think about this consortium, who's in it and what they do. So yeah, it's a bit intimidating, but it's very exciting.